We gather here to celebrate the 26th of January on this day. 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, marking the transition of our country from a British dominion to a republic. The process began in 1946 when the Constitution was formed. Representing various provinces and communities. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee and he played for an important role in drafting constitution. The assembly took 23 years to deliberate on the document, holding extensive discussion and debates to ensure that it reflects diverse needs of the Indian. They use separation from various sources, including the British parliamentary system, the American Constitution, and the Irish Constitution. Among other, the aim was to create a framework which upholds justice, equality, and freedom for all citizens. On 26 January 1950, is marking the beginning of the Indian Republic. They use separation from various sources. It established a democratic framework with a strong emphasis on fundamental rights and duties. Let us best to contribute positively on society.